Hi, my name's Alyssa Horrigan, and today I'll be baking banana bread. During COVID, I did a lot of baking, and the thing that I baked the most was banana bread, and I was able to perfect it and broaden my baking skills during quarantine. First step, preheat your oven to 325. Next, grab a medium bowl and add a flour of your choosing. I chose all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon ground cinnamon. That is optional. Then grab a whisk and whisk it all together and then set aside. Grab a large bowl and add 2 eggs, a half cup melted coconut oil or olive oil, a 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, a 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and beat for 2 minutes. After beat on medium speed for about 2 minutes, it should look something like this. Then you will want to add in 3 or 4 very ripe bananas. Then you'll want to add in your flour mixture that you set aside earlier. Then stir that in until well combined. Then you can add in any add-ins of your choice like raisins, walnuts, or chocolate chips. I'm choosing chocolate chips. Then grab a loaf pan and spray it with cooking spray or grease it with shortening. Then add your batter into a loaf pan and you can spread cinnamon or chocolate chips on top of it or leave it be. Then place it in the oven for 55 minutes.